You've probably seen the cartoon-like faces in text messages or emails. They're called emojis, and those cute little faces, as bizarre as it might sound, are now playing an important role in showing men their risk of having prostate cancer.
72. Hear all the facts before he makes his decisions.
So you see it's, a 4 times greater likelihood with low PSAs.
Jack spent 34 years with NASA training astronauts. So when he was diagnosed with prostate cancer 2 years ago, he carefully reviewed his options.
When you understand that, then you say, well, what's the likelihood that that cancer is going to kill me?
Jack chose to monitor his cancer instead of undergoing treatment.
These slow-growing cancers, I would contend that if I had a choice of doing a biopsy on a man that finds those, I'd rather not find it.
Dr. Thompson figured out a unique way for men to evaluate their risk of developing prostate cancer by using a simple tool called the Prostate Cancer Risk Calculator. In a couple minutes, a man can find out his risk for both low and high-grade cancers by entering information about himself.
To compare that red risk to the yellow risk to the green risk, and then let the man think about what he's concerned about.
Results are based on a prostate cancer prevention study that involved close to 19,000 men. Numeric percentages are completed with emojis that are happy, serious, or sad.
These are the ones, it's bad news, but these are the ones that you can help.
Jack didn't use the calculator, but encourages others to take advantage of it.
I don't think a lot of the world realizes a tool like that sitting out there.
Well, the calculator is free, and if you'd like to give it a try, we have posted a link for you on newschannel5.com.